thrives because of an extensive, intricately woven ecosystem: artists, record producers, labels, distributors, marketers, live event producers, production houses, and countless professionals all working behind the scenes. Together, these organizations across different sectors of the music industry shape artists, records, keep catalogs relevant, and build platforms that allow music to shine. This award honors the companies whose creativity, innovation, and commitment to excellence have defined the rhythm of the nation and continue to push OPM forward. So here are the top players in their respective fields, and the nominees for the Music Company of the Year are
the FMA's Music Company of the Year nominees are ABS-CBN Music, Cornerstone Entertainment, Live Nation Philippines, Sony Music Philippines, Viva Records Corporation,
the winner is the Music Company of the Year is Sony Music.
Good evening! I am Roslyn Pineda, also known as Mama Sony. Isa po itong napakalaking karangalan. Maraming salamat. Filipino Music Awards, MMGI. Because of you, we have artists from past to present, from Sony Music, who are here tonight, including Basti Artadi, Kevin Roy, Ellie Buendia, and of course, Ben and Ben, Four of Spades, SB19, Diwata. So, maraming salamat ulit. I remember being tasked with reopening Sony Music Philippines in 2018. Little did I know the adventure that would come about and all the incredible talent that we would be working with. So, thank you again. Mabuhay ang musikang Pilipinas.